Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you join future leaderboard into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that icon, and after that you will get this option of futures leaderboard. You just simply have to tap into future leaderboards option, and after that you will get a new page where you will get this option of join into here. You will get to see a lot more informations about this section. You can read all of the informations and rules from this section, and you just simply have to tap into this join button in order to register into here. But before that, you have to verify your KYC into your Bitget, and this way you can very easily join the futures leaderboard into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.